Overheat. It's gonna say engine overheated. Check idle or something gonna say.
Let's see. I see if the fan moving right now.
Oh shit. Engine overheat. Where the fan at?
Right here.
It's moving?
Back up and drive slow. Up. This shit's shaking like a motherfucker. That shit don't mean nothing. Do it. Back up and then drive slow. Keep going. You can go. You ain't gonna run me over. Alright, now pull up. That shit not moving. Oh. Stop. Fuck. Trying to see. You got coolant. That shit is definitely not moving though. Let me see real quick. Back up and then just drive slow, and I'm gonna walk with it and see if it's moving. Yeah, that shit is not moving. And it's overheating right now?
No. It might take like a couple of minutes.
Alright, you can pull back in there. I don't know. Says the car is overheating. Every time he runs the AC for a little bit. Thought it was a radiator fan. We're gonna see. Yeah, because you definitely got coolant. I said you definitely got coolant. Definitely. You can feel the shit riding like a motherfucker. I don't see anything broken. Feels like fluid is going through the hoses. Woo. What size? Shit don't got the engine size on it. Bullshit ass car. 2018. God damn, this nigga. He worried about the damn radiator. Somebody hit his ass. One dink. God damn. Whole trunk or something. Somebody hit the car in the front?
In the front?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
I'm about to say the grill pushed in.
The grill pushed in, yeah.
It might just be.
And I think that's on my AC side.
Yeah, I'm about to say the fan is right there, so it could have knocked that shit.
You think they broke the fan?
Could, most likely. You don't be like overheating and breaking down, or anything, right? You don't be like overheating and breaking down. Like you don't get. Yeah, so it can't be the radiator.
Like, it might say overheat, and I pull over though. Like,
yeah.
And let my engine pull over.
But like the shit don't just cut off on you or anything.
Nah,
yeah.
man.
Yeah. So you don't got a bad radiator, but that shit is pushed in. I'm trying to see if anything. Hell yeah, chat. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Look at that shit. Oh, y'all can't even see it. That shit broken in there. I ain't gonna lie, you might fake need a radiator. That shit is pushed in.
Huh?
Look, come here. That shit pushed in.
What?
Whoever, when it got hit in the front, it dented the whole thing in. Like the radiator and shit right here. That shit's all pushed back.
That's bad.
It ain't supposed to be like that.
So that could be a problem.
Yeah, because that shit's supposed to be like more out more. Whoever hit it, pushed it. Oh yeah, this shit's shaking.
And that's the radiator?
Yeah, and then the fan right here. And that's supposed to move like when you're driving to keep this shit cool.
And what the fuck I'm supposed to do? I didn't even put no insurance claim because I noticed it like my car was parked or some shit. And I noticed this one day, I'm like, oh shit, my shit hanging.
That shouldn't be that hard though. That's just the radiator and the fan. But let's see. Let that whole thing come. Yeah, that's crazy.
What y'all do?
I
don't even know what to do.
Nah, yeah, it's just the radiator and the fan. I'm trying to find it right now to see if you can find somewhere like with a good price, so you ain't gotta pay that money. But that shouldn't be that hard though. That should be like.
Once you fix that, it should be good, right?
Yeah.
How many damn for like a band?
No, hell no.
Not even?
No. I did one the other day. That shit was like, the parts was like 200, and then I charged them only like 200 to do
For
shit.
a radiator and a fan?
Yeah.
200 altogether? Oh, alright, bet.
It just depends on the car. But yeah, I just look around and then find the shit. Cause yeah, once you get that fixed, you should be good.
Alright, so just let me know if you find that.
You said it's a 2018 GMC. Damn, this shit. Hey, I'm gonna look it up right now.
Alright. Should I drive with it off? Just so I don't overheat my shit? Like, it was never working, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
Like, usually I drive, my shit say overheat. I don't know because I'm not driving and I'm parked up.
I mean, don't kill yourself, but if you gotta use it. But yeah, don't overburn it. I'm gonna search it up right now though, so I probably had this shit sent to you. Stay up, bro. Chat, it's your boy. Ain't that JAH? That gotta be JAH. I'm old.